Ano ba yan mga idol? List muna tayo. Let's go to Philippines! Bye! Bye mga idol! Let's go! Mag-enjoy muna tayo. 1 month. Hello guys. So I'm on this phone and then I will edit.
Ah, you will edit, yeah? Where in the computer?
No, I also have. In iPhone you can edit better. You can say hi.
Hello, hi.
That's my driver going to Airport Terminal 1, Dubai. So we are here already in sun. See, the way is very good. Fully, what is that, furnished?
Yes.
Airport. Airports. I take video but I will not take. Okay, ganyan na ngayon. Pagpabalot ng bagahe. Yeah. Pack already so no bullet will come. Yung luggage. Last kong uwi, hindi man lang ako nagpabalot ng ganyan. Ngayon, oh my god. Dagdag gastos. Ticket na tayo guys, may ticket na tayo. Nice, lalakad na tayo guys. Para. So ayan guys, natapos na tayo sa boarding doon sa immigration. So nandito na tayo, hintay na lang tayo ng boarding. Ang call time niya is 6:25 pa. So pwede pa tayo magala-gala dito sa airport. Sa loob ng airport. Kaya pwede mabili dito. Kaso wala tayo pera. Pwede kasabayan ako dito. Ayan o. Nani ng mga bata. Yan yun. Say hi ka ate. Sa nakakakilala dito. Customer natin sa Tridome.
Hindi naman na kami maglalaro.
Ayan o. So see you guys. See you in a bit in Philippines. So ayan guys, papunta na ako sa gate kung saan doon yung plane. So ayan, kasabayan ko puro mga Pilipino guys. Mga tamad maglakad. Kaya nandito sa Mapilator. May medyo malayo-layo pa guys. Nasa D14 pa lang. D20 kami. So lakad-lakad na kami guys. Solo lang tayo kaya di tayo makapag-vlog ng maayos. Kasabayan. Kaya Kaya mga sa likod ko guys, puro mga Pilipino yan. Ganyang kahaba ang airport. Ayan na guys. Philippine Airlines 755 Manila D20. Ayan. Let's go! So ayan guys, nakita ko na yung D20. So dyan, hintayin natin magbukas para sa boarding. Mag-boarding na yung mga alas 7. Open gates sa D20. Ayan. Flight natin alas 8 guys. Ito na guys, so may timbangan na sa unahan. Kinikilo na yung mga bit-bit nila. Ayan. Ingat-ingat tayo, may mga bagahe. Mabibigat. Magbabayad sila guys. Hello guys, boarding na tayo guys. Boarding. Boarding. Boarding guys. Guys, dito na tayo sa ating plane. Ito ang plane natin guys. Philippine Airlines. Boarding na kami. Say hi ate. Hello! Kaya mo, video aja rin ako. Yan na tayo guys. Uy, Philippine Airlines. We are here at the plane. Philippines. Hi ate, how are you?
24G. Other side.
Ah, that's it. Okay.
Numbers on top.
Up. Here. 24. 24G. Dito lang tayo guys. 24G. Guys, sa gitna tayo guys, nasa gitna. Guys, ay sarap ko na ang lalabas. Melo guys.
Tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free and to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings, immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, Put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shades open, and your tray tables and footrests stowed. Once again, welcome on board Philippines.
For you, which one would you prefer? Sweet chili fish or Neki bacon? Fish.
Sweet chili fish. Pinili natin guys.
For your drinks, we have red wine, white wine, or
White
just
wine.
white wine.
Pinili natin white wine kasi may tubig na naman tayo. Let's eat guys.
Sir, here you go.
Thank you.
Hi, vlog.
Thank you. Say hi. Kaya guys, this is our meal. Dinner. Okay. See. Bigyan tayo ng bread and may salad tayo. Small cup for water or coffee. Okay. Let's eat guys. Hello guys, kakalapag lang natin guys. Medyo maaga tayo ng isang oras. Going out na guys, going out. Welcome to Philippines, mabuhay! Kaya natin guys. So guys, waiting na naman tayo ng luggage. Wala pa yung mga luggage guys.
Diretso na lang po sir, mga boys sir.